Today, I'll show you how viral cat videos are not just raking in millions of views, but also earning their creators thousands of dollars every month. You might be skeptical, but let me introduce you to two channels that started less than a year ago and already boast over 1 million subscribers each. A quick look at Social Blade reveals that one channel is making between $150,000 and $25,000 monthly, while another earns upwards of $113,000 per month. Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create these viral cat videos using free tools. Stick around until the end because I will also share how you can get the viral soundtrack that complements these videos perfectly and go viral. Let's dive into the tutorial. First, we need to generate our visual prompts using ChatGPT. We will create a simple story about a very lean and tall orange cat that looks like a skeleton. He's laughed at by other cats, so he decides to work on himself by going to the gym. Eventually, he bulks up and impresses everyone with his huge muscles. Let's get ChatGPT to generate these prompts. You can add any other prompt or regenerate it if needed. Now that we have our prompts, we will copy the first one and head over to Bing Image Creator. Paste the prompt and make any necessary modifications to get your desired images. A quick tip: if your image doesn't look right, specify 3D animation in your prompt. Turn all prompts into images one by one. After generating all images, we will have everything we need. Next, we move to CapCut to put our images together. Start a new project, import your images into CapCut, and add them to the timeline accordingly. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Expand your images one by one. Add transitions for a smooth flow. Once you add one transition and it looks good, click on Apply to All. Select all your images, create a compound clip, and adjust the speed for a better viewing experience. I will keep it on 2x. Once satisfied, export your video in 1080p resolution. Now, as promised, here's how to get the popular cat soundtrack. If you're making a TikTok video, open the TikTok. Go to the search bar, search for Meow Unstoppable, and select the sound. You can use this soundtrack without any copyright issues. For YouTube, contact the original owner of the soundtrack, or use YouTube's audio library for a free alternative. Let's take a look at our final video. All right, friends, I'll wrap up our video now. I'd love to hear about your experience with generating videos of cat stories. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.